Hey, good morning, chop the morning, chop the morning. Hey, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day over here in Kenya, Africa. It's a very beautiful morning over here, and I'm really very much grateful to Almighty God for these blessings and for each and every day that we are working over here with you guys. May Almighty God bless your hands and all your support that you do. God bless you abundantly. So this day today is another special day, guys. I haven't gone to work because there was a meeting that was done to the orphanage and about the management and everything. So today I was like, let me have what you call like I relax a little bit, but as time goes by, Pastor Esther told me she's going to call me and update me on everything, and also when we'll be resuming back to work. Let's put that aside. This day today is a super special day, guys. I'm shooting this video from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa, and I'm with my beautiful, great, handsome Sude. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How are you? It's healing, guys. Look, it's healing. Yeah, at least it has made a cover over here. It has covered up, you know. Yeah, it's a beautiful, great, amazing time. And this day today I want to be sharing with you our project, what we have been doing, what kind of project I've been working on with you guys, and which is a very great and amazing. So most people will be like, hey Claude, you have been also working. Well, can you show us your project, what you have been doing onwards? I'm a farmer, by the way. I'm an upcoming farmer. I've been doing farming a little bit. I did a successful farm of watermelons, and this day I just decided to plant these watermelons at near our home over here. So this is the farm of watermelon, and I'm really much grateful that they are coming out. This is a watermelon. They are coming out very nicely and very great. So tomorrow or this evening, today in the evening, I'll be doing what you call like spraying some chemicals on top of this, because they really need to be, the watermelons really need to be taken care of. And so subscribe, guys, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, because when you subscribe today, you are really motivating Claude by telling him, okay man, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for 25,500 subscribers. God bless you all for this amazing time. So I'm really waiting. You see, like this, when you see a watermelon being this way, that means it's cold. So this one, they need to be cleared on. So we'll be doing what you call like weeding, because you can check on this side. You see, like these ones, these are the, it's like blackjacks, and these one are red pigweed. They call pigweed, yeah. So these ones need to be weeded all. And as we speak right now, on our other farm where we ventured on maize farming and beans farming, already we have people who are working over there. So today I want to be sharing with you what does Claude do and what does he do to sustain or to upkeep of his family, you know. Right now as we speak, people are already there, so I want them to finish from the other land, because it's really critical. It's not as this one is not as dirty as the other one, but the other one that they are just trying to do the cleaning, or we call it weeding, so that they can stop weeding there and then they'll be coming here. So my big prayer is rain. You know, now when you see they are bringing leaves like this, which means no rain. And the funny thing is, I never planted them near the river, because my land, or our dream land where we are planning to build maybe one day my dream home, because over here most people will be asking, Claude, is this not your home? No, this is my parents' home. And for those who understands the African culture, or the African culture, yeah, also where I come from over here, is that when you are born in a home, like me, we are like 6 boys of us, and maybe one girl. So the last born is the one who inherits everything that the parents is like. He takes over the parents' property. You know, he's not allowed to get out of the home. But with us, if you're firstborn, secondborn, thirdborn, fourthborn, fifthborn, you're told, man, just step big out of this compound. These things belongs to the last born. So that's how our culture is. Where I come from, lastborns inherit all the property that the parents leave. You know, it's only that when maybe a parent writes a will that, okay, from this place to this end, maybe firstborn will have this, from this point to this other end, secondborn will have this, from this end to the other end, thirdborn will have this, and the remaining property belongs to the lastborn, everything. So that's why you see most of us, we really struggle to maybe buy land far away from home, and just something like that, and make our own properties. So this day today, they were doing what we call like watering of my wife's nursery bed, because also for her, she has been so busy doing what we call like planting some vegetables or kitchen garden. She's tired of buying different varieties of veggies. So she was like, okay, there's this house. This was my brother's house. His dream was big, you know, those days. But when we were staying in mud houses, his dream was like, okay, I want to build this. You know that you become very obsessed with the life that you are living on, until you're like, okay, I can do something massive so that I can avoid what we call like being in this state. So my brother has a mission or a vision of us all staying in this house. You know, it's very big and it has a lot of rooms. But because he did what we call like because he had a call from God, he's now serving as a Catholic priest, and he has left this project to continue this way. Maybe some days, praying to Almighty God that this house will get finished, you know. But for now, we are trying to maintain cleaning by planting some stuffs in, so that, you know, when you leave a house like this for long, sometimes it grows trees inside, it grows what we call like weeds, and maybe it becomes a breed of wild animals, like maybe snakes and other animals. So right here we planted what we call like sweet potatoes. So every room here is planted or is weeded, and it's being done something very nicely. So I'm waiting for Mama Maria to finish breastfeeding the baby, then she might be driving me to our dreamland, where we are doing what we call like farming. When I see this way, I become very much proud. So this is a watermelon seedling. But oh my god, yesterday it was really showing up that it's raining. But all of a sudden things went bad. Cateris peribas. So this is our beautiful home. Most people usually say this is a Viking's gate. You know, I really thought of making a gate like this, a wooden one, which is really cheap to make, and it doesn't consume a lot of materials. And because buying these angle lines were very expensive, I was like, okay, I can do this and just improvise this, and it becomes, though it never came out the way I really wanted it to be, because of scarcity of what we call like materials. But I really appreciate right now that we can even do a padlock. You know, when a thief comes, at least when they see a gate, they are like, this home, I think maybe these people are still awake. By the time he'll jump, we have a dog there. There's a dog that we have there, despite the other one that was very fierce. I don't know if it's fierce or fierce. It was very fierce. Like, you could, even if you knock like this, it has already heard. It has very sharp ears, and it was very aggressive, like whoa. So they poisoned it, and it died. So this one, because you cannot give it anything if you're a stranger for it to eat, it got hit by a heavy object, a blunt heavy object. So they were almost cracking its head, but we thank God that it's alive, and it's always here. Yes, Sude, greet me, Sude. How are you? How are you, Sude? Sude, you see how sharp the ears are. Sude, it feels so better. Sude. Yeah, our beautiful, our great dog. So yesterday, there's a video that we had, like blessings as a farmer. I'll be sharing with you on this video how stuffs are. We are very much happy, and I'm very much happy to be a new farmer with a lot of blessing, you know. So when you see these leaves here, it shows you that there was a goat that was eating here. There was a very young goat. We call it kid. So for now it's very strong, very strong. So the mom is almost also eating, you know. The mom is also eating. Wow. So yesterday it gave birth from this end, and because if you leave that kid here, the dogs can we have some wild dogs that can come and eat them. So we have to do what we call like leave. So keep the kid inside and bring this over here. And a very great and amazing way is we have tamarind. These are tamarind trees. I just decided to put them here so that they can grow well, and then we can do some transplanting, you know, some transplanting. So doing some transplanting will be very much better, another harvest. So also tomatoes can do well and can do better over here. Babe, you have to take off this tomato. Sorry? This tomato, you have to take it off. It's ready? Yeah. So you can keep it in the house so that it can be better. I never knew that this soil can make a very good tomato. You know, that's what inspired me to put down there so that you can try and see. Really? Yeah, if really it can work. If it works, then it will be good to go. Look, guys, it's a very nice tomato. Look. So tomatoes, what are you preparing?
Maria's food. Oh, that's Maria's butternut food? and
Irish potato.
Irish potatoes.
Oh wow! Introduce yourself.
I mean, how we guys?
Yes, wash this.
Yeah, I have to wash it first, but then now let me introduce myself. Mean Howie, preparing Maria's food. Yeah, so thank you so much. And I realized we can grow tomatoes. That's why I tried to plant tomatoes in the other house down there, so that we can see if we can get something. Now, but then now we'll have to get a lot of chemicals to prevent them from, you know, to make them grow this way. And funny enough, this one that has not used any tomatoes, it's organic. So
we can be doing what we call like, because of this, we can do in small scale, just for
trial and error.
Not trial and error, but just for home use.
Yeah.
Like this one, you could have bought this one tomato at 10 Kenyan shillings. 10 Kenyan shillings.
10 Kenyan shillings.
So already you have one. So just like to upkeep, when sometimes, you know, this life is up and down. There's a time that you have and there's a time that you don't have. So the time, and it usually come hand in hand. When you don't have, you remember that, oh, I kept something somewhere. Let me go check. So when you check, you find that it's almost ready. So like this, it's a very good idea.
Yeah.
So
and our soil can, I think it can really grow.
And this one had zero chemical. Yeah,
guys. It has just grown
on its own.
These
because
are tomatoes that when they get bad, we
throw them there.
So it's like, it's a good thing.
Very impressive. So I'm waiting for you to. We should go.
So we go. We put this in the cooker. Then we can head out.
Absolutely, guys. And also we have a pawpaw tree.
Yeah.
We have a pawpaw tree here. This one I don't want anybody to tamper with it.
It will burst.
No, it will not, because a pawpaw doesn't have heavy
roots.
Doesn't have heavy roots. They'll how do you call it? Perforates or what?
I don't know.
They don't. You know, they're hollow. Their roots are hollow inside.
Okay.
So this one, let it grow. Maybe some days when Maria will grow up, she'll be going up and up. Look, even in this house, I saw a comment. Somebody asked, one of our subscribers asked, did you ask a permission for you to grow crops in your brother's house? Yes, it's good. I asked him. That's my young brother Mogendi. He knows because
the other house.
Oh, the other house.
The other bigger house.
The other bigger house, we are just preventing it from getting maybe from breeding animals.
It doesn't really need permission.
Yeah, so it's something that we need. It's family house, you know, guys. It's family house. But this one, Mogendi, we have to ask him. I have to tell him, okay, Mogendi, because it's near my house and sometimes this it might have bushy and it might bring some stuffs. I have a young brother by the name Mogendi the Dreamer. So like this, it will be very much better for it to continue with how things are moving on. All right, guys, let's wait. And some updates from grandma is for now her condition is somehow worsening, but I'm really trying much to give her medical attention and also serving her according to her standards. Right now her whole body is like she's feeling very bigger pain, but I'm really managing, you know, really managing slowly by slowly so that we can check on her health. All right, guys, let's wait and we'll show you how our farm is going on. All right, see you at the farm. Oh guys, that's how you see even a goat goes through hardship for it to give birth. Oh my god, push mommy, push, come on man. Blessings guys, new blessings, new blessings. Oh my god, a farmer finally here, I have to take this off. Claude the farm. Finally, come on man, it's a he. Congratulations mother, congratulations. I have undergone a lot, so it's here and it's there. Have to bring it home. New blessings in the building, you know. All right. Hey, Madam Boss.
Hi.
Seatbelt on?
On. Let's see who doesn't have one.
Oh, not me. Let me put the seatbelt just like this.
Maria.
And then we are heading. So guys, we are heading to the farm. But before that, I'm heading to look for BB's porridge, what we call like porridge flour, and also ugali flour, because you know, she's not supposed to eat the way I'm eating. She has to eat her special meal. And also I'm having my new chauffeur.
New? Am I new?
New chauffeur.
I'm not old.
You're old chauffeur. Okay guys,
Yeah,
rate her driving skills.
Oh my god, super driver.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's a chauffeur.
I'm a super driver.
Chauffeur. And in front of us there, it's the orphanage. Yeah, so...
And the orphanage is on the right side.
Yeah, so let's see.
Yeah.
It's very dusty and dry because no rain. It hasn't been raining. Yeah, guys. So let's proceed.
We are praying, but I heard that it will rain like soon next week. This week, end of this week.
By the end of this week, our crops will be withering.
We'll be wailing.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, the road here is very small. Village roads, guys.
Estate roads.
Village estate roads.
Do we have estates in the village?
Where?
Where? These are estates. What do you call these estates?
This is Vitongoji. Vitongoji Dune.
Okay.
Yeah, go easy. Have also to fold the. Have to fold the what we call like the side mirrors, so the Altana Camara cannot go right. Yeah, guys, look, people's maize nowadays, they're very grown up, higher.
They're really grown.
Yeah, it's typical life in the village. That's how you see animals out, cows. Whoa.
Woohoo. This is the day.
Sasa, we go.
This cow was about to hit me with the car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just when you are just driving slowly.
I was going slowly, yes. But then now it had that the horns. It was almost, I was like, where? And then it stops.
Guys, look at the village. Despite the sun being very strong, it's still beautiful. And it's very rare for us to find in the village at a homestead that doesn't have a home without these plantains or banana trees. They're everywhere. Look, like this over here. You think it's Uganda? Hey, in Uganda it's more ones. Every home has a plantain, and people are really doing a very nice and great. Like this one is already ready.
Which one?
This one.
The one on
it's
the
ready
road.
to be harvested. Yeah. Let's go.
There's a place there that is has a ditch.
As a ditch. Oh, hardworking mamas at the farm. Despite the sun very strong or harsh, still have to weed. Come work on it. Wow. So guys, today I'm taking you. It's a free day today. I'm sharing with you. Wow. Yeah guys, guys, this is how you see. At least this guy just decided to plant. I think he has cows, so he decided to plant some napier grass, and they're really doing okay. So with me over here, my camera. Yeah, with me over here, I'm trying to check on how everything is. This guy never did what you call like put some fertilizer. So I think you have to put fertilizer. This is our neighbor's maize, and this is our maize. The difference between our neighbor's maize and our maize. Wow, man, this is really impressive. The maize are coming out very nicely. So you see we have all this till to the other side. Let me zoom. This way, that way, up to the other end. Wow, man. Welcome guys. And also our beans have started to do what we call like to put up some flowers. So there's a disease, this one, where you see some some insects try to eat the flowers. So this one needs a very serious care. You see, like here, they look like aphids. You see this one? They really kill the beans. And also, you know, these are yellow beans over here, so they really need what we call like attention. Babe, I'm really shocked with the beans.
Why?
They really need care. We need to spray some chemicals to kill the aphids, and there's a disease that is attacking the what we call like the beans. So if we don't take care of them right now, we will harvest nothing.
I think we have some chemicals, right?
Oh yeah. What is this?
This for my people who are helping me do the pruning. So I want to take this for them so that they don't they haven't, I don't think they have eaten anything this morning. Okay. So I thought of coming and seeing them and bring them this. Normally when I come, I get them mandazi or tea sometimes. Tea. Yeah. So right now, I was like, it's late, let me get them some bananas. Yeah. But their hunger.
But this is really impressive. The maize are coming out well, nicely. So this one they need also to, when they are done with that, they will also come here again. We want it to be very clean, very clean, guys. And and I think you've said that I think spraying this. Yeah, we have to spray some chemical very fast because already the beans are on flowering stage. So if they're on flowering stage, wow. And also look down here, guys. We also have this and this one. This one was planted earlier, but you can just tell that this one also is coming up in a supersonic speed. They are coming up in a supersonic speed, and there are people on the farm. I don't want to show them. The people on the farm, they're just doing a very great job. I don't want to just feeling them, because sometimes they feel like, hey, why is this guy showing us on camera?
Well, those are my friends.
Yeah, so this is how you see. But I'm really impressive. Like this end, it's very fertile. This place, very fertile. Wow, and they're in a straight line, guys.
We did a good work.
A very good job. Well done. The other time when you saw me here, guys, you were like, hey, Claude, are you for real? And I told you there's this land that was on auction. It was being sold. But I don't know if the owner got us a buyer. But it's a very nice land that goes to the river. And yeah, So let's see what's happening, and we'll be sharing with you. I'll be checking you towards the other end, and we check what's happening.
The far end?
Yeah. Okay. Guys, that's how you see they're really doing a very good job in plowing. That's why I'm telling you guys, sometimes if you see me waking up early in the morning, running errands up and down, helping here, guys, sometimes I sleep. Even if maybe you'll be calling me at night and you see I haven't received your call, maybe sleep just took me away, because mostly I usually wake up early in the morning, as early as 4 a.m, starting to prepare my kids to go to school. I have a daughter, I have a son who goes to school. Maria always is there, you know. When I wake up, Maria wakes up. I'm like her alarm. So yeah, during that time, during the day also, it's busy up and down working. Like the other time when we are supervising people at the construction site. Thank God right now things are going slowly until we see how stuffs will go. And I really appreciate to each and every donor for your good work and for your amazing time, for the great thing that you are doing. May Almighty God bless you. So you can just see, wow, there are two places over here where there's water. So this water usually comes from all the way. Kuna kamziki huko, guys. Kamziki means there's music. The place is very steep. So there's a river here. This water comes from the, oh wow, and it goes all the way downwards. And from here upwards, there's a, from here going to the upwards, there's a, what we call like a tarmac road. So and I don't know why most people usually at the river banks they plant yams or arrowroots. So yeah, and also from here, let's try to see where they fetch water. This is where maybe people come and wash from here. Animals drink from here. Let me show you where people do what we call like fetch water for music. This is where they fetch water for drinking. It's just a steep area downwards. Mrani aje? Kofiti. Nachota maji ya kunywa. Na hiyo haishangi. Iko tu hivyo. Guys, that's how you see. The water just oozes from this big rock. It's a very heavy rock. For those who did geography, what's the name of this rock? So the water comes. Hii mtu inaitwaje? Kepokomba. Oh, okay. The water is, you know, every here with us. The mostly funny thing with us over here is that if the river belongs on your land, then that river will be named after you. You know? If like me, for example, where I own land which have river, so when I just do or clean that place and make it a place where people will be fetching water, they'll name that river after me. And they'll abbreviate it with the word K. Claude. That belongs to Claude. K Claude. Or K Jose. Something like that. But I'm really much happy that they're really preserving the nature. There's some bamboo trees over there. Very green and nice. Very indigenous trees. And at least, guys, you have seen our how CJ is always busy. Sometimes, not that I'm lazing around, no. And also I'm encouraging each and every person. My big prayer is let us work together, and we will see how everything is. Farming is a major backbone to the human's life. So if today this maize become very much and successful, maybe one day you come say, hey Claude, can you help us with 1 kg? And I'll be helping with you. All right. So guys, this is what you see. Our land comes from the other side, coming on this way up the other end. This is land we leased. It's not Claude's land. We leased this land, and a friend gave and told us, man, you can do farming. I've seen you people doing a very great job, so continue with that spirit. So I have land, so he leased from him for free, and it's always like, oh man, continue. So that's what you can see. Also, if you have land somewhere and it's sitting idle, please let us know. Oh, wow, I've seen something somewhere here. Oh my god, man. There is a lake somewhere. It looks like a lake, but it's not a lake. You see from afar? Okay. Wow. See the other end? It's a dam. It's a very nice dam. That one is a dam. Wow. Hey. It's very, very nice and great. Alright guys, let's check on what's happening, and I'll let you know when we are back home. I want to go check on grandma's medical attention, because I want to call the doctor so that he can provide also the medicines that are supposed for her to take, because the one that I was giving her got finished. I've seen farming, people are farming here. I don't know what. Wow, are they? What are these? Oh, this guy is planting what we call like a lot of pumpkin. Look, pumpkin. People farming, no joke. Yeah. Alright guys, see you. Guys, just walking over here, she felt tired. So
This farm is huge.
I have to drive.
I'm tired of driving.
So I thought maybe she can even drive. And what if one day you'll be traveling to Mombasa without me?
No. I'm just tired of driving today, not every day.
And also guys, Kenya, we are mourning one of the veteran political party, former Prime Minister Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga just demised this morning or yesterday.
They said this morning, but it has been a rumor.
It has been a rumor. So he died in India when he was undergoing treatment. So Kenya, from today, we'll be having a half what we call like flag. Yeah, because he has really fought for this Kenya, and may his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, we have been saddened with the news, but we have to cope up with it, because it's nature. It's nature taking its own. You know, it's nature taking its own, and we cannot try to cry much.
Yeah.
But just accept. You know the things that can happen, and you just accept the way they are, because there's nothing else you can do apart from crying. And and he has really brought a lot of revolution towards this country.
Yeah.
But Almighty God said, now this is the time for you to sleep. Please help to sleep. And he has slept for forever. Hopefully his spirit will keep on running. Yeah. So guys, let's get to take Bibi's medication, and we'll be back. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, definitely guys, here's where I always come by Bibi's counter meds, because this is what she was recommended for pressure and for sugar. That is glucomate and Verani 5 mg and 500 mg, and also always purpose that she always having it, because she always get the bed. And because she has developed some bed sores, I have also give her this kind of med so that she can be dried up. Despite that we always take her outside and in, but because she's so weak, this is what we have to have. So yeah, have to take it, then we will see what's happening around. See you. Yeah, so always this is what we have. It's called senior meds. So literally I'm at the border town. And yeah, so we'll be ending this video from home, and we'll be checking what's happening. So let me keep this. Yeah, this just happened in every 1 week. That's 5 days, because these are 10 pieces. There are 10 pieces. So in the morning and at night, it has to be changed to this. So every week we have to spend over $20 every week having this. Alright guys, see you at home.